Imagine stumbling upon a car that looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor, but it's nearly a decade old. That's exactly what happened to Bud, a mechanic in Colorado, when a 2017 Toyota Camry cruised into his dealership. This isn't your average used car. It's a time capsule on wheels. And Bud's TikTok reaction video has left over 112,000 viewers in awe. But here's where it gets controversial. This Camry has only 1,138 miles on the odometer. Yes, you read that right. In a world where the average driver logs about 14,000 miles a year, this car's mileage is practically unheard of. So how did this happen? And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about low mileage. It's about the why behind it. Bud calls it a true gem, and for good reason. The car is so pristine that it still has the protective sticker on the light, a detail that's practically unheard of in a vehicle this old. But the real mystery is why a car from 2017, an era that feels both recent and distant in car years, has barely been driven. The internet has theories, of course. Some joke it's a time traveler's vehicle, while others suggest it was owned by a Meemaw who only drove it to church. But the bigger question lingers. Was this car a service vehicle? And if so, what kind of service? In a follow-up video, Bud sheds light on the potential issues with underdriven cars like this one. He explains that when a car isn't driven enough, condensation can build up in the engine, leading to milky oil, a dangerous mixture that can cause engine failure. It's a reminder that even the most pristine vehicles need regular use to stay healthy. But here's the kicker. Despite these risks, the Toyota Camry remains one of America's favorite cars. Debuting in 1983 as a reliable, fuel-efficient alternative to the Corona, the Camry has earned its reputation as a car for everybody. But here's the controversial part. Is it better to drive a car regularly or keep it in mint condition with minimal miles? Some viewers argue that cars are meant to be driven, while others dream of preserving their vehicles like this Camry. What do you think? Is this car a masterpiece of preservation or a missed opportunity for the open road? Let us know in the comments. We're eager to hear your take.